Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q5 Edition 140 TDI Quattro. Now this particular example is finished in the eye-catching and upgraded ultra blue metallic paintwork, which is giving that standout appearance. Now as you look towards the key features, and with this being the Edition 1 model, this means the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling at the front and the rear and the side. Besides this, we get the black exhaust tips, black window surrounds, roof rails, and also the blacked out front grille. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we find these fantastic LED matrix adaptive headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional Edition 1 Audi Sports two-tone alloys with the upgraded red calipers behind for definition, and these wheels do really stand out against the blue paint. To the side of the Q5 now, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as continuing this lovely black and blue theme. Moving in now to the rear boot space of the Q5, we do find up to 520 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for an SUV of this size. This can easily accommodate two larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags, and there is additional storage underneath the boot floor. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full quilted nap leather interior with the additional diamond leather in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is folded out to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, where there is more than enough leg space to accommodate three occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and high quality interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, carbon fibre, gloss black and aluminium. With this being the Edition 1, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the full leather interior and full leather seats with a sporty design with the additional light stitching. Above now there is the virtual cockpit display, which has featured a digital speedometer with the two digital dials. Besides this, you can access the vehicle information and telephone connectivity. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which has featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find an equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, there is a reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this Q5 much easier to park in the tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.